at me now. When them treat me less than gold, put me in a box like a rectangle.
Just like YouTube have their policy shift and policy adjustment, there will be a policy adjustment to how the calculation of the top 100 trending non-monetized channel actually go on from this day forward, right? Alright, I have said some before, but probably you might not be like listening all that, so let me repeat. One, this system of calculating top channel is based on views for the month at an exact point in time within the week. Two, non-monetized channel have to actually present content, publish content. So I'm actually considering removing the whole idea of using stream videos as a part of the calculation. That way, actually, persons are able to create content, and persons viewing will be viewing because of that content, and not necessarily just to have a little a little talk, right? So all those persons who usually do just stream, the streams will not be calculated, only the content-based videos, right? I know everybody on my list from number 1 to 100 have created content in the past. Some have created more content than the other, so we have to give kudos to those persons who are creating content. All right, number 3. Now, based on the amount of work that has to be done to actually create the rating system, it's a lot of work, so I still only calculate the top number 5. All right, number 4. As soon as that person have become monetized, that person will no longer be in the next month's publication. So if that person have been publicized, if that person have been monetized, let's say we are in January and that person becomes monetized after the first calculation, after the first week of calculation of stats, it will continue until the end of that month. However, if that person became monetized before the stats was actually started, it was collected, that person will not be considered as a part of that. So therefore, chances are you can be monetized within the second week of the month. So therefore, second, third, fourth week would actually be a part of the tabulated total. Number 5, I think 5, right? Yeah, number 5. Regardless of how many subscribers you have, it doesn't really matter. You can have 1 subscriber, 2 subscriber, 3 subscriber. Once you're a fishtubers channel, you don't have to subscribe to me. Right? All you need to do is just to publish videos that people like. Once I have you on my radar, and if you feel that I don't have you on the radar, you can actually just send me a message on any of my videos. Say, hey, could you add me to your list? I do that. You don't have to be subscribed to me, right? You just need to let me know. I put you on the list, so when I'm checking, whether it be on Saturday nights or Sundays, I can actually lift up your view count and put it on the system, and at the end of the month I just press a button and the computer actually generate the top 100 list, and I use that so as to get my video out with regards to the top trending non-monetized videos. Alright, so you have to be aware of that. And number 6 but not least, this series will last until December. Then a review will be done to see whether or not I should continue, right? Also, it is not aimed at getting subscriber or getting myself to be monetized, in the sense that my views are going up, so therefore my hours and my watch time is going up. Practically, I'm doing this for a selfless motivation, in the sense that I am trying to get persons who are new to the fish keeping community, fish keeping family, fish keeping mob, fish keeping clan, fish keeping internationally, to be able to mesh with everybody else, to put forward the things. And if you actually look at the comments, a lot of persons watching the top 100 trending non-monetized videos are actually checking out these videos to see what channel they need to subscribe to. Yes, so it is a medium by which persons actually go through so as to check out your channel. So if you do publish excellent videos, what you'll find is that this give you a platform to actually push your channel further. So therefore, chances are you might even become monetized even before me, which is no problem. But the aim of the game is that we help each other to grow, right? What I ask of you, however, is that whenever you become monetized, try to help somebody. Even if you're going to be doing a mentorship program, but try to help somebody to build. What you find is that when everybody help everybody, nobody's selfish and thinking about this whole idea of I. You find that we kind of enjoy being, a part of this great hobby. Thank you very much. I hope that this little, annotation regarding to 100 going forward brings a bell. Peace. See you next month. Then my list will be out. Our list will be out. Let's see who top it. There'll be no more streams. That's the highlight of today's policy change. No more streams calculation with regards to view counts. So therefore, if you only do 5 content-based video upload, those 5 will be counted. If you don't do no content, you only do streams, that will be through the door, and you'll be considered as having 0 points. Thank you very much. Have an awesome day. Bye bye for now. Cool.